The coronavirus outbreak is far from being a new phenomenon. Around half the population of Europe, more than 25 million people, were wiped out in the so-called Plague of Justinian in 541 and 542. It was the first recorded bubonic plague pandemic. And up to 200 million people worldwide died between 1346 and 1353 in a plague which became known as the Black Death. 20% of London's population died from it when the disease hit the British capital once more in 1665. 1 million people died between 1852 and 1860 in what became known as the Third Cholera Pandemic. And immediately after the First World War, the Earth was ravaged by the Spanish flu pandemic. 500 million people, a third of the global population, are thought to have contracted the virus. It was a form of H5N1 avian flu between 1918 and 19. 50 million people died. In 2002, the SARS, another form of the coronavirus, spread across more than 24 countries in Asia, Europe, and the Americas. More than 8,000 people were infected. Around a tenth of them lost their lives. And in 2009 and 10, it was swine flu that infected up to 20% of the world's population. Initially striking in Mexico, it spread around the world to claim as many as 500,000 lives.